Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Beckers. So, in this video, we have an unboxing of the Gamma 2 Vittles vault. So, we'll check out the Becker bullets and we'll dig in.
Watch out, silly dog. Watch out, silly dog. We gotta open this for you. We are going to try this food storage thing that we got. Ta-da! So yeah, it's got a nice seal on it. It's a nice square shape, has these little thin handles here. Sounds like something's in there, so let's see what that is. And here is the little scooper that came with it. That's what was rattling around in there. Yeah, clean up my mess, please, dog.
So as far as our thoughts on the food vault, overall, we got a good deal on it. It was only $22 when we bought it. It's a little bit more than that now, pre-COVID days. But we enjoy it. It works good for us. It fits the size of food bag that we buy for our dog, which is like the 20-ish pound bag of food. It fits that perfectly, and so we like that because then all the food is airtight. No like stale food later on, so it works perfect for us. That's what we like it for. Other than that though, like, it is a little bit blocky and a little bit heavy, so if you were moving it a lot, it is a lot of food and a pretty heavy bulky piece to move, so stationary is best for that. But yeah, we like it for the price. It was great, so that's kind of the skinny on that.
Boom. Well, lock that one away in the vault. Anyway, so thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe, leave a comment below, all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.